Okay, this video is for first generation Toyota Siennas. Mine's a 98, but this would probably work for all of them going up to 2003. The problem, for those that are familiar with it, is when you disconnect the battery on these for whatever reason, and you reconnect the battery, the alarm goes off and it disables the car. You cannot start it. So if you do not have your key fob, which is in my case, I lost my key fob, you're kind of out of luck unless you know how to disable it with the key only. This happened to me. My mechanic called my mechanic. He didn't know what to do. He said take it to the dealership, and I wasn't about to do that, pay for a tow cost, and then the dealership to hose me out of $200 or $300. So I learned this actually from a tow truck driver. So I'm just going to go through the simulation of how to do this. Okay, so battery here you got your positive, and then you got your negative terminal here. So the negative terminal will be disconnected. So what you want to do is reconnect the negative terminal. The alarm will go off. So just let it go off, and as it's going off, go ahead and go into the put the key in the door and turn it back and forth a few times. You're going to unlock, lock, unlock, lock. Do that a few times. Then get into the car, put the key into the ignition. Okay? Turn the ignition on, but do not start the car. Okay? And then you've got about 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds to push that button right there. Okay? So turn the key in the ignition, push that button and hold it, release, then the car should start right up. That's all there is.